Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FTMO to MetaTrader 5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come in your FTMO funded account dashboard. In that particular dashboard, you are going to get your MT5 login credentials. That includes your MT5 login ID, the password, and the server. You are also going to get via email your login credentials, so you can also access these with the help of your email. So once you have it, simply launch your MT5 application just like I did. After launching it, you can tap either on this plus icon or on this option that says add trading account. After tapping on it, you need to simply look for that particular broker or that particular server that you are assigned with. For example, for FTMO, you can search for FTMO. After that, you just have to tap on its icon when you are able to find it in the list. Then simply provide your FTMO login ID. After that, provide your FTMO login password. Then tap on the option of login, and this way you will be able to easily log in into your FTMO account in MetaTrader 5. Basically, this way you will be able to connect it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.